Alright, today I'm going to be making ramen noodles in the microwave with hot dog meat. The flavor that I have today is Manchurian, hot and spicy flavor. We're going to go ahead and get started. So you're going to need the ramen noodles and then you're going to need hot dog meat. Alright, I'm going to open up the package. It doesn't want to open for me, so I'm going to have to improvise. Alright, so here is the package of ramen noodles. I'm going to take out the seasoning packet, put that to the side, put the vegetables in there, the fresh dried vegetables. Open up the fresh dried vegetables and pour it inside of the bowl. And then I'm going to take the hot dog meat and put your hot dog meat inside of the bowl. Just like that. And then I'm going to take the water and fill it up to the line. And then actually put the hot dog meat a little bit closer down. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and let it rest for 1 minute. Alright, after I cook the ramen noodles for 3 minutes and let it rest for 1 minute, I'm going to pull the ramen noodles with the hot dog meat out. There goes the hot dog meat, you see. Looks very nicely cooked, well done. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and then I'm going to take the seasoning packet and place it on top of the hot dog meat. And then stir it together. Get the seasoning all the way through. And there you have it. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Look at the hot dog meat. Absolute goodness. Let me know if you have any questions.